Hi guys, this is Nice Matondo on Nice Matondo's channel. I'm back guys with another video. We're here with the code 8 guys. We're about to do the steep now. So stay tuned if you want more lessons on code 8. We're doing the steep now. So stay tuned, eh? Nice. We at the steep now guys. You're about to balance the car. Nice. What you do, you make sure that you hit the full clutch, then you put on gear 1 and listen to the sound properly. There's two modes that you gotta listen to guys. There's the first vibration and then the second vibration. And then when the second vibration, when you feel the second vibration, you make sure that you pull down your handbrake, you stop, you freeze your leg where it is, pull down your handbrake. So we're gonna do it again so that you see properly guys. Nice. When you arrive at the steep, go up, full clutch brake. Nice. We're at the steep now guys. So now she's doing the neutral and the handbrake up. So after here, she's relaxing. She's about to do it again. She's hitting the full clutch now and then putting on gear 1 and then listening to these vibrations. There's two vibrations guys, you gotta listen to them properly so that you could feel them. Then when it hits the second vibration, you freeze your leg where it is, then you pull down your handbrake so that the car could move up on top. Nice. Without rolling back. Perfect. That's how you do it guys. So now I'm going to show you inside the car and then I'm gonna get out so that you could see properly on how she's doing it outside the car. Okay. Yep, we are going at the big steep now. This is the biggest steep. We're going to balance our car there. She's gonna make sure that her car doesn't roll back. She listens to the sound properly. Good. And then neutral, handbrake up. Good. Then she leaves everything. Check the car if it's balanced. Then when she saws it's balanced, then she goes back again. Full clutch, gear 1, and then she listens to the sound. Those two modes, guys, you gotta make sure that you listen to them thoroughly. First one, and the second one. Nice. Keep on balancing your car, guys. After you felt the second vibration, you keep on balancing your car. When your car switch off, that means you didn't balance properly. So you make sure, guys, that you balance your clutch properly so that the car couldn't switch off. Remember, you're at the steep, so when you climb up, you gotta make sure that your car is balanced. Nice. Nice. You keep on balancing. Excellent. That's how you do it, guys. So now I'm gonna stand outside just for you to see on how she do it, and then how she does it, and then we'll move on, guys, to the next step. Good. Hi guys, we're back. This is our steep, guys. This is the steep that I was telling you about. You're gonna make sure the steep number 1 it's small, and then the steep number 2 it's medium there, and then the steep number 3 it's bigger. So we're gonna do this step now. As she's coming, she's about to make sure that she comes on the steep, and she'll make sure that she balances her car nicely so that the car don't roll back. So she's gonna do it now. Nice. She's on the steep now. Her car is facing up. So now she's about to balance the car. She's hitting the full clutch. She's putting on the gear 1. And then she's about to climb up here at the steep. Make sure, guys, you keep on balancing your clutch so that the car mustn't switch off. So you balance your clutch. Make sure that you listen to it to the second vibration so that the car could move. Good job. Nice. And we passed the steep number 1. We're heading to the second steep, guys. We're going to our second steep. Nice. She's heading there. She's going up, then she stops. Nice. This is our second steep, guys. here she's making sure that she needs to balance the car thoroughly, because of now this one it's much more bigger than the small one there, than the first one that we did. So here she's got to make sure that she climbs the car properly on the second vibration. Good, like she did, guys. Nice, perfect. And now, guys, she's about to do the third steep, guys. This one is big, guys. As you can see, I'm showing you here, this one is quite big. So here, guys, she must make sure that she balances the car nicely. She must make sure that the car is balanced nicely. As much as you can see, the steep here, it's very high. So you gotta make sure she's gotta make sure that the car, it's super balanced. As you can see, she's making sure that she's balancing a car so that the car should never roll back. Good, nice, perfect. As much as it rolled back a little bit, she's gonna make sure again that she do it nicely. She does it nicely. Good. We're back, guys, on the steep again. She's gonna do the steep one more time, just for her to be sure of what she's doing. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, for more videos. And make sure, guys, that when you learn how to drive, you don't put pressure on yourself, and you don't expect yourself to be perfect in everything that you do whilst you're learning. Because when you learn, guys, you gotta make sure that you take your time in everything you do. Nice, this is where you should stop. Good, excellent. And then she's about to do it again, guys. And then now I'm going to show you inside so that you can see which vela she's doing it. Hey, let's go. Nice. Then she's about to listen to the sound nicely. And then she's listening to the sound, then she pulls down, then the car moves. Nice, perfect. That's how you do it, guys. You listen to your sound properly. The second vibration, you freeze your leg there. You don't pull it down, you don't pull it up. You just freeze your leg there, and then make sure that you pull down your handbrake so that the car could move. You keep on balancing your clutch, guys. You don't just leave your clutch all of it, because of now the car is gonna switch off when you leave your clutch all of it fast. So you make sure, guys, everything is all about balancing. It's all about the feeling. You gotta feel it when you like listening to the vibrations. Good. Now she's doing the second steep. Nice. Then she pulls down the handbrake, and then she's about to move. Good. Nice. That's how you get to balance your car, guys, on the steep, so that the car shouldn't switch off. Nice. We're heading to the last steep, the bigger one. Nice. This is the steep number 3. So she's heading this way. This one is big, guys. As I showed you the first time, this one is quite big. So she's gonna make sure that she balances her car nicely. Perfect stop. Good. She did the full clutch and brake, and then she did the neutral, and then handbrake out. Then after she's relaxed nicely, then she's gonna start all over again. Nice. She's about to balance a car on the steep. Nice. Excellent. Nice. Perfect. Good job. Nice. That's our steep, guys. That's our steep. For more info, guys, make sure that you comment down below. You make sure, guys, you comment down below. You make sure that you ask me each and every question that you need to know, so that you could know how to drive, guys. So this is Nice Matondo on Nice Matondo's channel. This is the steep. So catch us on our next video. Peace, guys. Nice.